Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today's our topic is Sutra. In our literature, we use this word Sutra in many places. Example, Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Brahma Sutras, Panini Vyakarana Sutras. Literal meaning of the sutra is thread. Is that thread we have to take in these scriptures, in these sutra literatures? What does it mean? What the great Mahatmas says about this sutra? Let us see. Alpaksharamasandikdam Saravad Vishwato Mukham Asto Bhamanavadyam Cha Sutram Sutra Vidho Viduhu. The great Mahatmas says Alpaksharam Asandigdham Saravat Vishwato Mukham Astobham Anavadhyam Cha Sutram Sutra Vido Viduhu. To say anything that is sutra in the sutra literature, there should be 6 characteristics prescribed by our vidus, our great people. Let us see one by one what are these 6 characteristics. The first one, Alpaksharam. Alpa Aksharam, Alpaksharam. That means concise. Giving a lot of information clearly and in a few words. That is called Alpa Aksharam. Alpa, less, Aksharam, letters. It is the Alpa Aksharam. To the extent possible, there should be minimum letters. This is a number 1 condition. Number 2, Asandigdham. Because there are just a few letters are given, there may be a doubt in our mind. Oh, the knowledge may not have been passed properly. So the second qualification says Asandigdham, doubtless. You need not to have any doubt, without any doubt, unambiguous. So doubtless it should be. Number 3, Saravat. It should be meaningful, should not contain gibberish. It should be free from unintelligible or meaningless speech. It should be Saravat, meaningful. Whatever is given in this Alpaksharam, it should be meaningful. Then number 4, Vishwato Mukham. Vishwato Mukham, properly applicable. From whichever direction you see, it has to be applicable. Whichever direction means, here in the Sanskrit literature, every Shabda will have certain meanings. Sometimes 1 meaning, sometimes 2 meanings, sometimes more than 2 meanings. So all those meanings should be applicable in the sutra. That is called Vishwato Mukham. Number 5, Astobham. Astobham means it should be free from unnecessary letters. That means it should be logical and consistent. Sometimes if you look at the shlokas, there are ha, hu, cha. These kind of letters are used to fill the specific meter. But in the sutra literature, it should be logical and consistent. And the last one, Anavadhyam. It should be irrefutable. Na avadhyam iti anavadhyam. That which cannot be refuted. That is called Anavadhyam. So, my dear friends, these are the 6 characteristics of the Sutra. Alpaksharam, concise; Asandigdham, doubtless; Saravat, meaningful; Vishwatomukam, properly applicable; Astobam, coherent; Anavadhyam, irrefutable. These are the 6 characteristics of the Sutra. See you again with a different topic in the different video. Om Tat Sat.